Howdy, 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 folks. It is another windy day down here in South Florida, but we're gonna make the most of it. Why? Because we gotta catch those dang lobsters. And we're gonna try to do some spearfishing today too. I saw a red grouper that I really want to put on the dinner table tonight. So it's a little bit of windy. Shouldn't be too bad, about 2 feet. We're definitely already feeling a little bit, but we gotta give it a try, right? So come along for the ride. Let's try and catch some lobster, and let's try and get our first speared red grouper on the channel. Let's give it a try. when you got the lucky first mate Yanni on board, you get the first ever spear grouper, spearfish period, on the boat. Can't beat it. Also caught ourselves 5 lobster. We are a very, very happy group. You gotta love a first, but it'll be the first of many. So expect a lot more red grouper. We're officially not a lobster channel. We are a spearfishing channel too. Better watch out. A great day on the water, as they always are. Hope you enjoy. There you go, baby. Spear grouper in the face. Did it with my hands. And we got our 5 lobster. Not a bad day on the water. Gotta love it. Another day in Broward County, baby.